Hello guys, here's another video where I will give you few best ways to fix Fortnite Error CE-34878-0 on PS4. Well, many users have encountered this error, and if you are also one of them, then it's just time to get out of it.
But before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
So let's begin. Fix number 1. Restart your console. The very first method suggested to you is to restart the PS4 console. You might be using it for several hours, but it's time to restart it once and then check if the error is resolved. Fix number 2. Clear PS4 Cache. Clearing the cache of PS4 is a highly effective solution to fix several types of bugs that might be the reason for the error. You just have to press and hold PlayStation button and choose Turn off PS4. Wait for it to completely switch off and wait for few seconds after removing the plug. This will clear the cache of PS4. Now, plug the cord again. Fix number 3. Update Fortnite game. You should make sure that the Fortnite game is running on latest version. If not, then it may show you error on PS4 and it will not work. So you should open your PlayStation home screen, then highlight your game and click on Options button. Here, choose Check for Update, and click on Install if there is any. Fix number 4. Update PS4 system software. When you have not updated your PS4 software, then also you can encounter various types of error like Fortnite Error CE-34878-0. So, simply choose Settings on PlayStation home screen. Then select System Software Update and wait for installing the update. At last, restart your PS4. Fix number 5. Reinstall Fortnite. If you are getting the same error continuously, then it's time to reinstall the Fortnite game. Here's what you have to do. First, open PS4 home screen. Now, go to Fortnite, press Options button, then, choose Delete, then OK. Here, open Library, choose Purchased. Finally, look for Fortnite, choose it, then choose Download. Fix number 6. Rebuild the PS4 database. The error can occur due to various reasons, so you can easily fix the issue by rebuilding PS4 database. This is an effective solution that has worked for multiple users, and so you are also suggested to go for it. Fix number 7. Initialize PS4. Here's what you have to do. First, open PS4 home screen. Then, move down and go to PS4 settings. Here, click on Application Saved Data Management. Then tap on Save Data in System Storage, Upload to Online Storage. Now, tap on Options and choose Multiple Applications, then select All. Next, click on Upload, apply to all and tap on Yes. Finally, open PS4 Settings page and click on Initialization, then initialize PS4, tap on Quick. Fix number 8. Factory reset PS4. In situation where you still get the same error even after trying the suggested fixes, then you should go for factory reset your PS4 console. This is the final solution that will surely work to fix Fortnite Error CE-34878-0. So all these are some effective tricks that will definitely work to fix Fortnite Error CE-34878-0 on PS4.